So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin. And friends, this meme coin has potential to be the next big meme coin. You can see its Binance listing also. Okay, you can see Fox name, $0.6 current price, and you can see friends, it's amazing that $581 million market cap already. $581 million market cap meme coin is still not listed on major central exchanges. No Binance Coinbase, no KuCoin yet. So it's amazing. There's already $581 million market, $35 million trading volume in last 24 hours, and you can see last 30 days performance is awesome. One by 200% last 30 days, pump by 126% last 14 days, and 21% in last 7 days. So this is amazing performance from this meme coin. I will also show you its price prediction 2025, the how much profit we can expect from this meme coin. Is this meme coin has still potential to be the next 50 or 100x potential meme coin, or we can see Binance listing in coming weeks or not. So it is be very special one point you have to just for the company here. Friends, as I literally use market is already amazing, but still this meme coin is no listed on many major central exchanges. Solana ecosystem meme coin, friends, I can see Solana ecosystem meme coin, a frog theme meme coin just like Pepe, and we are 6,000% up the install time low. Coin has already killed 2 0 since its launching. That was 3 months ago, and we are just 22% down the install time high. That was just 3 days ago. So just 3 days ago, this meme coin max install time high, and where from we are 22% down here. Already listed on MEXC, Gadget.io, Arbit, XD.com. So friends, these are some central exchanges where this listed, but still there's no KuCoin, no Coinbase, no Binance, no even Crypto.com. Okay, friends, Crypto.com has listed, but Bybit is still not listed. This meme coin, and too many central exchange listing left for this meme coin. So that's why this meme coin can be next big meme coin also. If our website is still looking good, you can check out all further details here on their website. You can follow them on X and also on Telegram. 18,300 followers. So this girl, okay, joined October. Okay, just I think 1 month old project only. Okay, on X, and within just 1 month they got 18,000 plus followers. So this is good, and you can check out recent tweets here. You can see community is very active. 1 hour ago, 4 hour ago, 12 hour ago. So this is good. This community is very active here. Stress now my price prediction about meme coin is that as I will show you already market is $581 million. That's already huge. But friends, as is major centralized listing are left here, just like Binance listing can be massive listing for this meme coin, and Coinbase listing, and Bybit and KuCoin listing. These exchange listing are left for this meme coin. If this meme coin will list on these all central exchanges, then definitely we can see its market cap in $1 billion also. In 2025, next year mega billion, maybe we can see its market cap up to $20 billion. It's also possible that we can see its $20 billion market cap in next year mega billion, because when recently we saw Pepecoin hit $10 billion market cap. Okay, $10 billion market cap, and in next year mega billion, maybe Pepe can still hit maybe $40 to $50 market cap, and at that time this is another frog theme meme coin. So this meme coin has potential to maybe reach $20 billion market cap also. And I think Binance will definitely list this meme coin soon, because already trading volume is good. $35 million trading volume, social community is active, market cap is good, and many central exchanges has already list this meme coin. So these are the reasons that's why maybe Binance can list soon this meme coin. So friends, what's your price prediction about meme coin? Do you think this meme coin can reach $20 billion market cap in next year mega billion or not? Do you think Binance can list this meme coin soon? Okay, in next month December or not? You can must comment down below.